So hello again today from Playa Martianes. I'm heading for Playa El Bollullo, but before there's beautiful barranco, I want to see it. But the road is still closed, they do something, there are some sites, so I have to go to La Paz and then continue there. Okay, let's go, let's walk to El Bollullo, beautiful beach. Agatha Christie stairs. Do you like Agatha Christie? Have you wrote many books?
Some. I like movies.
Yes, me too. It's much easier.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.
Tady máme naše přátele a našich priateľov. Ahoj. Mirador La Paz. Never have enough of this view, people. Must see place in Puerto. I'll show you the weather because it's really something. Agatha Christie. At the end you can see the house of Agatha Christie's family. She lived here probably in that house. So thank you, unknown gardener. This is just amazing work. I don't know you, but I really want to say thank you what you are doing here. This is amazing, amazing work. Highly recommend to come here and to see this special improvised garden here. Because this is work of somebody who really loves this place and who spends money and time . It's still here, I love this sentence. Yes, más amor por favor. We speak Czech here because we have friends from Czech Republic with us. With me actually. New experience. We are feeding lizards. Wow, so cool. So I would like to see this small barranco here.
Ale jako jak můžu, tak všichni se mi tam pomalu nastěhují. A tady je vidět, že tekla ta voda a je
So this is it. I was a little bit faster. There we are. Playa San Juan. Next beach is Playa El Bollullo. There we are, Playa El Bollullo. Beautiful and perfect timing. I really recommend you to come here when the ocean is low. Check this out. Such a beauty. Just amazing, amazing timing. Let's have some fun in waves. Waves are white, so shallow what you can see. People are there. Stairs to the toilet. So nice. Amazing!